up, guys? I'm Harry from Hutch's Welding. I'm here with my main man Nate.
What's going on?
With his 2011 F250 Super Duty single cab. Nate, can you tell me a little bit about the truck?
2011 regular cab, basic work truck. Bought it off a landscaper. We just redid the whole thing back in last summer.
Yeah, last summer we completely gone through it. He came to me and he said, "Hey man, I want to get some air suspension. I want to get this thing on its ass."
Yep.
Everyone's lifting them and doing all this stuff. I'm a lower guy. You already had this thing lowered on lowering springs.
Yep. It was lowered on 24x14s, and I just got tired of factory leaf springs and coil springs.
You also did a lot of towing with it.
Yep. I used to work this truck every day.
Cool, man. What are the main reasons you wanted to do air?
It was actually Daytona 2 years ago, I think, was there, and I seen a couple trucks there riding around up and down the beach, just airing them out, and I just wanted something a little different, you know.
Yeah.
This was the first of what you did. So.
Yeah, I mean, we used this. We used this for this was our development vehicle.
Got a lot of good attention.
Yeah, and we did it. We just kind of out of the limb was like, that sounds cool. You know, I'm a bag truck guy. I'm all about lowering them and putting them on their ass. This is a little bit out of my wheelhouse, but we made it happen, and I love the way it came out. And one thing that Nate wanted is he's like, I can fabricate the crap out of this. You know, we can make it 4-link and weld a bunch of parts on, but you know, since it was a work truck in your daily, he wanted the parts to be bolt-on and easily replaceable. So he didn't want any tabs welded on the axle or anything like that. So it's actually a completely bolt-on kit. It completely eliminates the rear leaf spring, and it uses the front perch and just a simple 2-link design, and with a panhard bar. Same thing with the front, just replace the coil spring.
The grill's out of a 2016 Platinum.
Okay.
I kind of went with, I like the Platinum grill, I like the Platinum tailgate. You can't get that in a single cab combination.
Right. Single cab was pretty much always the work truck base model, real base.
Come with a long bed and, you know, just straight up work truck. So, had the headlights done. Kevin over at Retro Customs built the headlights. Had them paint matched. We went and did a satin white aluminum wrap. The truck had some paint imperfections. Did a bunch of body work, wrapped the whole thing up.
Oh, this is wrapped.
Yeah, it's a wrap.
That looks good.
Did 24x14 Forgiatos brush finish. It's one of their new concave series wheels. True spike lug nuts, brush finish as well. Some new Nitto 420Vs. Those are new for this year as well. We did a backflip bed cover on this truck.
That's a nice little added touch too. Nate approached me and came by the shop and said, "I like the factory. You know, I want to do a little bit different exhaust tip. I like the factory style where it just kind of comes out on a slant." And he's like, "I got these big 5-inch. You know, I basically want an exaggerated version of that." So I like how we did that. We did a nice
kind of like OEM plus. You know?
Yeah, OEM plus. There you go.
Very similar.
I like that.
OEM.
What can you tell me about your taillights?
So
how many times did you get pulled over for this?
Actually, like twice already.
Really?
Yeah. They are actually completely useless. I had to add a LED bar underneath the tailgate.
Yeah, gotta have a brake light.
Yeah, this truck's not a daily driver anymore, so chances of you seeing it are pretty rare out in the street. So I'm not really too worried about getting hit by nobody or getting in trouble.
Right.
With it,
Yeah, but this was a tried and true. You know, it was your daily, and you did use it and abuse it. I mean, I've seen you do burnouts, donuts. I mean, you took it down the drag strip. You've towed, 20,000 plus pounds with it.
Yeah, we've probably changed tires more than the oil.
Yeah? Nice.
Yeah, absolutely. And Farm Boy Customs actually took the truck in for about 6 months. We had it torn down to dead off of it, interior completely out of it. We did all powder coated suspension after we got it back from Harvey. We completely carpeted the bed. The bed is fully carpeted. dyed everything black that wasn't replaceable. We did a 2016.
What color was it before?
It was gray.
Gray?
It was gray with vinyl seats in it.
That's how it comes based or whatever.
Yep. No center console. It had a 3 seats.
Right.
Did a dashboard out of a 2016 Platinum.
Oh, even the dash was swapped out.
Dash was swapped out. Cluster.
Okay, so it's all new stuff. Platinum.
Seats were done by shop down in Pompano.
So it's basically a Platinum now?
It's basically a Platinum clone, a little mini Platinum.
Mini single cab Platinum.
This is a poor person's Platinum.
Peasant Platinum, as you like to call it.
Yeah, we had E3 Customs down in Pompano did the seats for me. We did suede headliners, suede in the center console. Cabin at Retro Customs painted all the black trim pieces on the dash. All that stuff is tuxedo black. Rockford Fosgate sent me a care package of all the audio. We got 3 amps in there and subwoofer and mids and highs. It's a good toy to have.
It's a 6.7, right?
Yeah, it's a 6.7. They are fun. They're reliable as hell. You treat them good, they'll treat you good. This one's got a billet Maryland Performance diesel intake on it. It's got a 6670R turbo. It's a factory modified BGT turbo. It's got bigger wheels in it.
Factory turbo that's been bored out essentially.
Pretty
it's
much,
a bigger wheel.
EGR delete, DPF delete. I've taken it plenty of times out to the track. You know, it's a daily driver / do whatever you want with it kind of deal. Took it out to the track. Did a 12.2 at 107, which was kind of like impressive for a little bolt-on.
Yeah,
truck,
I mean,
you know, it's not
a giant truck like this.
It's
diesel
not built.
doing,
It's not, you know, it's
doing. Would you say 12.2?
Yeah.
Running 12s. I mean, that's quick. It's quick for what you know.
What
are your future plans with it?
I want to do compounds.
Yeah?
Yeah,
That'd be cool.
I want to do put another secondary turbo over there, and after that, the bottom end will go and start all over again.
Build it and then go crazy some more.
Yeah. In due time.
Yeah.
Being that it's a 4-wheel drive, we have limitations on the front.
Right. Yeah. The axle. That's
It's
all we're gonna get on lowering it without redoing a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Where it's at right now, the front axle is actually touching the frame. So. You can follow me on Instagram, Nate Navs. About it. You can see everything I do to it.
All right. Well, that about wraps it up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for showing the truck. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And goodbye.